For my shepherd's pie, I'm going to cook my ground turkey. So we'll get a skillet, uh, heat it well. Should be a non-stick preferably. And just brown the turkey. This is how much oil came out of this meat. And I'm going to pour that oil off because I don't want all that. Turn the flame down so I can do that without getting. Just turn the flame off for a minute. Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of coconut oil and put fresh garlic or garlic powder. Any of those will be okay. That's so much better. Okay, after you put the onions, saute the onion. So I'm gonna add add some bouillon. Okay, can I get one of the hot pepper, not the hot pepper, the sweet pepper, please? The sweet one. Hmm? Put it on the counter for me. Just to go to and put it on the counter. And I want a little bit more color. Look up our output. Add that. Right about now, I only have some sweet basil marinara, and I'm going to add that to my thing to give it some a lift. I want it to have some saucy. Yeah, add a little bit of sugar. A little bit of sugar. Tablespoon. All right. So we're gonna do some mashed potatoes to put on top of our shepherd's pie. So I got all these. So I didn't pour off the water initially so that I could keep it warm, which is a great idea. So just add the butter and you're going to mash that butter into the potato. Mash potato. Mash potato. Got a little garlic. Sprinkle about half a teaspoon of garlic. Got me all my butter. Put it underneath. Mashed potato. Hey, what are you? Oh, wait. Okay, make sure you drain off the water properly. I have this Paris dish 8x8, and I'm gonna put a little bit of my sauce on the bottom. Then I'm gonna put my meat in. looking beautiful, so beautiful. You are so beautiful right now. And I'm gonna put my mash on the top. My mash on the top. Girl, can you hear me? I'm gonna put my mash on the top. If you want it really fancy, you can pipe it. Put in a piping bag and pipe it. Alright. And then I'm gonna put it in my oven. Put it in the oven and bake it till it's golden brown. Yes, I is. I sure is. Going to put that mother in the oven and bake her till she's nice and brown on the top. Yes, you are. You sure is. Looks good. Just wait until the oven gets beep. Then I'll put it in. What time now? Time to cook some rice. A little warm.